How to transfer ownership of Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me go through quick and easy and how you can transfer ownership of a Facebook page. Well, on Facebook, to transfer ownership of a page, the current page admin needs to add the new owner as an admin with full control. Then the new admin needs to accept that invitation. After that, original admin can remove their access, transferring full ownership to the new admin. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to head into your page, right? Once you head into your page, you'll have to transfer your full ownership to other admin that you would like to transfer the ownership to. You'll have to give the full access and add them as an admin. And once you have done so, all you gotta do next is you'll have to go through and remove your access for yourself. And that way, all the ownership will be transferred to that new admin. So hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe as well.